In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a saved Instagram password from your Google Password Manager. Whether you're wanting to tidy up your store passwords or improve your security, this simple guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's jump right into it. First, we'll begin by opening the Google Chrome browser on your device. This is an essential starting point since Google Password Manager is integrated within Chrome, making it convenient to manage your passwords directly from here. Once you have Chrome open and ready, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot the three-dot menu, which acts as a gateway to all your browser settings. Clicking on these three dots will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This option will lead you to a dedicated page full of customizable features and settings for your Chrome experience. You'll see a variety of categories on the left panel. Our focus today is on managing passwords, so go ahead and click on Autofill and Passwords. Upon clicking, you'll find yourself on a new page where you can see the Google Password Manager option. Go ahead and click on Google Password Manager. This feature is really handy as it allows you to oversee and adjust all the passwords saved through your Google account. Next, click on Passwords. Now, you'll see a list of all the passwords that have been saved through your Google account. To locate your Instagram credentials specifically, head over to the search bar and type in either Instagram or Instagram.com. This search function is particularly useful when you're sifting through a long list of saved passwords and need to quickly pinpoint the ones you're looking to manage or remove. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of Instagram accounts appear. Click on the specific Instagram account you wish to delete. At this stage, you're almost done. Each account listing has a delete icon associated with it. This icon typically resembles a small trash bin, indicating that you can remove the selected entry. Click on the delete icon. By doing this, you'll successfully remove the saved Instagram password from your Google Password Manager. This change not only helps simplify your list of saved passwords, but also enhances your security, especially if you've changed your Instagram password recently or no longer wish to have it stored in Chrome. And there you have it, folks. You've just deleted a saved Instagram password from Google Chrome. Doing this periodically, especially for accounts you no longer use, can help keep your password manager neat and organized. Plus, it ensures your account security is always up to date. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more practical and straightforward tutorials.